In this tutorial, I will guide you on how to fix Farming Simulator not opening or launching on Epic Games Store. So a lot of people are facing this issue. Before we dive into our tutorials, make sure your computer meets the system requirement for this game. So if you go to the Epic Games Store and search for Farming Simulator, just scroll down and look for the system requirement. So ensure that your PC meet the system requirement which have been listed here. So you can just go and check out and make sure your PC meet the system requirement. If your PC doesn't meet the system requirement, you may be facing the issue where the game doesn't open or doesn't launch. If it meets the system requirement but you're still facing the problem where Farming Simulator 25 doesn't launch, then let's go to our tutorial which has been written here. So try to verify game files. So you can try to verify game files on your Epic Games Store. So to verify game files is so easy. Just go to library section and you'll find here the Farming Simulator 25 which you have downloaded it through the Epic Games Store. So just click on the three dots here and go to manage. Now you'll see the option to verify. So make sure you click here verify, and the game will try to verify and it will be repaired. So after the verification is over, you can try to launch it to see if it has fixed your problem. If you do so but you're still facing the same issue, then let's go to the second step, which is restart launcher to trigger any pending update. So you can try to restart your Epic Games Store launcher. To restart it is very simple. You can just come here to hidden icons and then just exit Epic Games Store. So if you exit it, then you can try to relaunch it again by just come here and then just run it as an administrator or just open it, and this will trigger the launcher, and if there is any pending update it will be updated and you can try to launch it. So restart launcher to trigger any pending update. So you can just exit and restart your Epic Games launcher to see if it helps you to fix the problem. If you do so but you're still facing the same problem, then clear Epic Games cache. So to clear Epic Games cache is so easy. Just open your Windows Explorer by pressing Windows and E key. Then go to the C drive where you have installed the Epic Games launcher. On the C drive, go to users and select your username, and then you'll see app data. If you don't see app data, just come here and click view, and then make sure hidden items is clicked. So select app data and then go to local, and then look for the Epic Games launcher folder, which is here. Now go to saved, you'll see the web cache folder here. So what you need to do is delete this web cache folder. If you delete this web cache folder, then you'll be able to clear Epic Games cache, which is the web cache folder. So just delete this folder and you'll be able to clear the Epic Games cache. If you do so but you still face the same problem, then run the game as an administrator. You can try to run the game as an administrator to see if it helps you. Also, disable background applications overlay, especially Discord overlay and GeForce Experience or Steam. So you may need to disable any background applications including overlays such as Discord, GeForce Experience or Steam. Also, temporarily disable antivirus programs. So sometimes antivirus programs may hinder the game to launch on your store, so you can try to disable antivirus programs. Or if you have overclocking tools like MSI Afterburner, RiverTuner or VPN, you can try to uninstall them. So if you have any overclocking tools including MSI Afterburner, RiverTuner and VPN, you can try to uninstall them to see if it helps you fix the problem. If all it fails, then you can try to reinstall the game to see if it helps you fix the problem for Farming Simulator 25 not launching on Epic Games Store. Since a lot of people are facing this problem, then if you have followed all the steps, it's best to contact Giant Software, since Epic Games Store is the one facing the issue and I have seen a lot of people complaining about this problem. The best way is reach out to Giant Software, which is the game developer for Farming Simulator, and they will help you troubleshoot and fix and give you the best way to fix the problem. So the last option, you can try to reach out to Giant Software. If you go to www.giantsoftware.com, and you'll be able to contact them and they will guide you on how to fix the problem. So if this video has helped you, Then let me know in the comment section and see you next time.